In times like these, we need to stick together. I'm Casey Stubbs, the founder of Trading Strategy Guides. In light of the worldwide pandemic and all of the disaster upon the economy, with people losing jobs and the economic machine has grinded to a halt, I feel like I can provide some support to you by giving you all of my trading programs completely free. We have produced these programs, full-time trading courses, which will teach you from beginner to end on how to trade successfully. And I will ensure you, if you take these courses, you will be able to see a vast improvement on your trading right now. And that's our part. Those of us at Trading Strategy Guides, we want to contribute this to you to help you follow a path that could provide for you while working from home right now. So this is the least that we can do to give back to the community and help them in this difficult time. And this is going to be for a limited time only. So please right now just click the link below and get access for completely free our full-time trader course, which is available, and it's teaching you step by step everything you need to know to be a successful trader. I'm additionally going to be providing some live examples and some live trading and feedback, and we'll be communicating with the community as well. So this is a great opportunity that I'm setting before you. If you remember, 2008 was a great recession, and it was very hard for me. I lost my job at that time, so I know what it's like. And I made a plan and I acted on it. And as a result, I got through it, and times are better now than they were then. And I wanted to be able to help you come up with a plan that you can act on. And so again, thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and just click the link and get access to that free trading course now.